We have shown in the heart we can get 40 times higher protein expression than regular RNA, and the accumulation then leads to higher protein production. And I think it will take off. I don't see any big challenges.
What are Circio working on?
Circio is working on the future of gene therapy. The problem with current gene therapy is it's not really safe, and it's also very, very costly. We have a protein expression technology that we can increase the protein expression from the same DNA. And therefore, we think that you can reduce the viral load, and the virus is what causes a lot of the safety problems in the body. And also, that's what makes it really expensive to produce. So if you can give less virus to a patient and with the same therapeutic benefit, you should be able to make gene therapy much safer and also less costly and affordable.
So how exactly does your platform work?
You have a genetic code, a DNA, you give that to the patient. Of course, that information needs to get into a nucleus like any gene therapy, and then it expresses what we call circular RNA. So normal RNA is linear and is very unstable. It gets degraded very quickly in the cell. But by making it circular, the cell can no longer degrade it, and that means that it can accumulate over time, and the accumulation then leads to higher protein production. That's really pretty the secret of our technology.
To prove the efficacy of that platform, are you developing your own therapeutic alongside?
Absolutely, you have to. I know you have to really push it along and really to show people how it works. We have now really shown that it works really well. We have shown in the heart we can get 40 times higher protein expression than regular RNA, and we have just announced today a new collaboration with a major global pharma company that wants to test drive this technology and see if it really makes a difference. And that's sort of exactly the kind of collaboration we're looking for. Companies that have genes of interest that they want to express and then want to try our new technology if it can really do what we said it does.
And so what exactly is your therapy, and what conditions is it targeting?
Our first program itself is a heart disease. Like I said, we have really good data on the heart. It's called Danon. It's a rather small area. It's about 1,000 patients worldwide. So it's a rare disease. But we see it just as a proof of principle. And if that works, we'll go into much larger heart areas. We also showed that our technology works really well in the eye. So we're looking at going maybe a wet AMD. There's a program we can do. And then we're also looking at, right now we're doing experiments whether we can also improve the situation in the brain, and we can go into neuroscience.
You mentioned a strategic partnership with pharma. Who exactly have you partnered with, and how is that partnership going to benefit you?
It is fully funded, and we go into a new area that we want to explore. So it will validate our technology at no expense to us or so. And then if it's successful, of course, we're hoping that it will lead to a large collaboration. The other things, we're working with a lot of gene therapy companies. We just came back from Bio Europe, where we had lots of different meetings with different gene therapy companies. And many of them expressed interest in trying to test our technology in-house to see whether our technology is really that much better than what they're currently using.
What do you anticipate as some of the largest challenges in getting your platform to success?
No, I think right now we're at the brink of a really great time. I think we need to show now in a couple of relationships or collaborations, that it really works, and then I think it will take off. I don't see any big challenges because we really understand how the technology works. We are working with technology companies to make it better. Of course, you're entering a new field. There's always some issues that you need to resolve, but I wouldn't call them major challenges.
And how have you found Jefferies so far?
Love it. It's a great meeting. It's great to be here in London. And so meet all the people. I've been in this industry for very, very long, so I love it here.
How do you anticipate the future of the AAV sector developing? There's a lot of work on it in recent years.
Well, if they all use our technology, it'd be wonderful.
Yeah.
No, we'll solve a lot of problems. No, I think when you look at the industry, when new technology come along, there's a euphoria at the beginning, and then people realize, it is more complex. And I think we're in that situation right now where people realize gene therapy is more complex, but now we need to solve those problems. We think we have a solution of that. So if we can implement our solutions, I think gene therapy is going to take off.
Fantastic. Lubor, thank you so much for your time. Lovely to meet you.